Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. I am Rabia Malik and today we will move towards our 14th topic. And the topic name is Ramadan. What is Ramadan? In Arabic, we can say Saum. It is the second pillar of Islam to fast in the holy month of Ramadan. Ramadan is a holy month for Muslims. It is a special month in which we need to keep a fast. We do not eat or drink during the day. Read the Quran. Allah sent the Quran to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, in this holy month. Pray the Taraweeh prayer. We go to the mosque in the night time to pray and listen to the Quran, the holy book, Quran. Remember Allah by doing zikr. In this month, we want to get closer to Allah. My dear kids, here the question is, does everybody fast? No, not everybody fasts during Ramadan. Children, the elder and those who are ill or who are traveling don't have to fast. Send blessings, salawat on Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Ramadan is a time when Allah forgives all the bad things we have done. Share our food with our neighbors. Fasting teaches us to be kind and helpful to each other. My dear kids, in Ramadan, we have to be kind and give charity. When we fast, we think about the poor people. Learn more about Islam. Ramadan is a time when we improve our behavior and become better Muslims. What happens at the end of Ramadan? There is a special festival to mark the end of Ramadan. This is called Eid al-Fitr, the festival of the breaking of the fast. It begins when the first sight of the new moon is seen in the sky. At this point, we will end the lecture. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.